Namaste. Here is a problem. Horizontal projectile motion. An aeroplane is flying horizontally at a height of 490 meter. So there is no UI. UI will be, that is height 400. This is aeroplane. So height will be negative 490 meter. Because from the ground. Okay, ground, and initial velocity ux, height will be minus 490 meter. Then initial velocity ux, initial velocity 360 km per hour converted into meter per second. 360 into 30 into kilometer, 1000 meter divided by 3600. This will cancel. 36 10 ja, okay, 100 meter per second. Clear? 100 meter per second. Then uy will be 0. ax also 0. ay minus g, that is minus 9.8 meter per second square. Acceleration due to gravity. So an aeroplane is, this is data given. An aeroplane is flying horizontally at a height of 490 meter, that is negative 490 meter. Height is as is given, with a velocity 360 kilometer per hour, that is ux in initial velocity x direction. A bag containing ration is to be dropped to the jawans on the ground. How far from there should bag be released so that it falls over them? First we have to calculate time of flight, and then we calculate horizontal range. Okay, a bag is, here is a bag is, okay, dropped, then calculate jawan on the ground, how far distance, range will be asked. So first we have to calculate y is equal to, that is height, that is you can write h, okay, that is you can negative h, I will write y is equal to uyt plus half ayt square minus 490 meter is equal to uy will be 0, 0 into t 0 plus half into minus 9.8 meter per second square t square. Clear? Then minus 490 meter is equal to minus 9.8 divided by 2 t square. Okay, this implies that minus 490 meter is equal to 98 by 2, 4.9. 9.8 divided by 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8. Okay, this is 2 4 ja 8. Okay, this is t square. 9.8 divided by 2 is equal to minus, that is minus 9.8 divided by 2 is equal to minus 4.9 t square. Minus 490, that is t square is equal to, this will cancel, is equal to 490 divided by 4.9 is equal to 490 into 10 divided by 49. 49 10 ja 10 into 10, 10 tens are 100 second. This implies that t is equal to, okay, t is equal to square root of 100 is equal to, we can write it here, 10 second. 10 second. Clear? 10 second. T is equal to 10 second. Then we find the x. X is equal to uxt plus half ax t square. Range, horizontal range. Okay, horizontal range. This implies that x is equal to ux is equal to 100 meter per second, 100 meter per second into t. 100 into t plus half, this is 0 t square. This implies that x is equal to, we find the t, 100 into 10 is equal to 1000 meter. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer will be the answer. Okay, we, in this way we get this answer, 1 kilometer. Okay, this is the range, horizontal range, x will be 1 kilometer. Thank you. Namaste.